This fucking noise is driving me insane. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't. It sounds like it's coming from about right under where that flag is at or something, but up inside the dash. You hear it? It almost sounds like a honing noise, like a honing shop or something. Like a cylinder's being honed out. But seems to be coming from inside the vehicle, not outside. I get outside and I can barely hear it if I close the doors. I get inside here and it's loud. I'm hoping this cheap ass phone is picking it up. But yeah, I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Anybody got any ideas? Definitely please let me know.